Hi Michael and Bogdan. Today I'm gonna explain you like how I was managing the social traffic, and it's pretty easy. What you have to do is first of all you are already approving the members here, and I recommend you to actually write a post whenever we get 100 members completed, because that gives us 100 members worth of traffic. You know how to do it. I will explain you now. So when you see this notification, then what you can do, you can engage your audience of this 100 people by directly tagging them with the scholarship opportunities which are recently open. So what we will do, once this 100 is completed, we will click on write post, and then on the new screen this will pop up, and just give it some time, and it will then automatically fetch the people who recently joined our group. So these are actually 100 people who actually joined our group recently. So you can remove this let's welcome our new members line by replacing it with the scholarship opportunities which are actually open right now. I have made the URL short. So this is Changzhou University scholarship with our URL, and these is Stanford, and this is the Sheffield Hallam University scholarship which you posted few days back. So I mean, these scholarships still have the deadlines open. So you can post any of these scholarships, especially this next scholarship is very important. And I will also send you the list of very popular scholarships with the opening and closing deadlines, so that you can save it and update your audience about it on daily basis. Also, the important thing is like we are not only just posting the scholarship opportunities, but we are also trying to help students to that how they can actually apply for these scholarships. So in this regard, we have 3 to 4 things. For example, a scholarship is awarded to a student if the professor in a university accepts him as his student. So what students have to do, they have to write emails to the professors asking for the recommendation letters and asking for the acceptance letters and invitation letters. So we can also we I already have the articles on the site which says like the title as how to ask recommendation from professor, or how to apply for a scholarship, or how to complete how to write a study plan, or how to write a research proposal, because these are the things which are required in the application procedures. So we can also post these kind of articles maybe once or twice a week, so that people can understand. And one important thing also, for example, if the deadline of the scholarship is over, then you can also post it again for the new students, but make sure to write down in the title of the social group, for example, or the page here, before posting the link. For example, this is the scholarship which is currently closed. So what you will do, but you know that this scholarship will open like maybe in 6 months, then you can actually post it in the group to inform young students about the scholarship opening in the near future, so that they can start making their documents ahead of time, and by the time the scholarship is open, then they can directly apply, because it's a long procedure for the students to prepare the documents. It's a very long process. So even if the scholarship is not open, you can still post it in the group, but make sure that the this title says that this scholarship will be expectedly open in this month, next year, or this year. So go through this article to find out which documents you will need to apply for the scholarship, and what will be the expected application procedure. So the students will ahead of time try to get familiar with the application procedure of this upcoming scholarship. So let's get back to this topic. Now we have just posted the list of the open scholarships available on our site by tagging the new members. Then we will just hit this Also we will remove this because this is actually taking it to the one scholarship, which is not the case. I mean, like if somebody just wants to check out this Bristol University scholarship, then he can directly click on this link instead of the this auto fetched data. So then we will just post it, and after posting it you can come back after 3 to 4 hours or maybe after 24 hours, and you will see that there are so many likes and so many comments here. You know why? Because we already directly tagged these people, so these people will be visiting our multiple pages. So for example, if we have tagged 100 people here, so they will be visiting 3 to 4 at least pages, so you can expect like 3 to 400 visits by these people on our page in just simple way. And every day I think we get close to 100 members or over 100 members, and even 5 to 600 members in the season. So I mean, like, this is very very useful feature through which you can actually send your traffic directly to the various scholarship opening articles of your site. So this is a very useful tip, and you can also copy paste this one in our page, which is right here. So also, for example, you can, for example, if you want to, because this Fulbright scholarship is open, and for example, I'm gonna copy this one. I'm talking about like the normal posting. So what I will write, excuse me, I will write USA Fulbright scholarship is still accepting applications from international students, and that's it. And then you can post the link, and or maybe you can write here that apply ASAP. Okay, and then you can just post it and do the same. You can just copy this so that we can actually paste it on our group as well. So you can post it here, and after this you can also post it on our page. So we will click our page and let it open, and once it's open we will post it directly in here, and it's done. And also, for example, if Bodden or you doesn't have enough time to post these kind of stuff on daily basis, so what you can do, you can spend maybe a couple of hours and find out which scholarships will be open in next few months, and then you get that scholarships available on our site first, and then make a list of those scholarships which are being opened in like 5 to 6 months or 2 months or 3 months, and you will get a list of 10 to 15 scholarships. And then you can put all these 10 to 15 scholarships one by one like this and schedule them. Maybe you can post you see this share now button. Instead of share now, you can put the schedule button, and then you can put the dates. For example, you can post two articles on 13, two articles on 14, two articles on 15, 16, 17, and so on. And then you can also set the time. For example, if you are posting two articles on 13th, then you can post the time like one in the morning and one in the evening, or the time when you get the high traffic on the website. So you can choose the time here, and then just schedule these posts, and then you will see that you are no longer managing this, and your posts are being auto posted in your group on a regular basis. And you can do the same with the group as well. So group and pages are the same. So you can do both of these, and I think you will not spend more than 2 hours on that per week. So after that, you can just click the share now button, and that create okay, you can put the click the not now, and your article will be shared in our page. So that's it. And yeah, one more thing I would like to inform you is that, like, for example, if there are, I will show you the post. You go to this post, and then I understand that you maybe don't have knowledge about scholarships, but what you can do, you can actually go to Scholarship for Dave or any other big scholarship website, and you can see which scholarships are being open in next 5 to 6 months, and make a list of that because it will be very easy for you to manage, and then you will know that these scholarships will be open for next 5 to 6 months, and then I think you will not spend more than couple of hours on that job, and then you have the articles, all right, on the site, and then just keep on posting them, repost them. For example, if the 10 days are remaining, you can repost it, or and even send the web notification here. And in the web notification, let me tell you here, if I click edit, then I will go to the web notification, and in the message section here I can write like 10 days remaining and then send it. So I mean, like, it's all about engaging your traffic on the same articles, and you will get the revenue, which I was doing since last 7 months, and it was pretty much working good for me. And it's not something that is very difficult. It's very easy. What you can do, you can just post like for example, if after 10 days, next week you can write down maybe 2 days remaining, okay, and so on. And for example, if there is a scholarship which says 6 months, then you can write down 6 months remaining, and that's it. And then maybe after that, 3 months remaining, 2 months remaining, 1 month remaining, 15 days remaining, and so on. And you will see the traffic, and that's how it works in the low traffic seasons. But during the high traffic seasons, you don't need to practice this, because then you will get a lot of traffic automatically from Google. Right now students are going through the exams and midterms, so that's why the traffic is a bit low. But if you see the trends, you will see that in the right season you will get automatically right kind of traffic, and then you don't need to do this, I think. And that's it for this video. I will try to make another video for you if you need any assistance, and if I see something which needs to be told to you, and I hope it helps. Thank you.